will be pranking the cat.
Wait, what?
Yeah, dude. We will be pranking the cat.
Pranking? Go pranking.
Yeah, she's gonna be scared with this gun.
Are you sure?
Yeah, so let's go.
Are you sure? Are you sure? I like your face.
What is it?
Yo,
Dude,
look at
we
this.
can't see her.
Oh, really? I don't know. So we're gonna play picking again. Look. Ooh, there you are. We'll tell you where and the cat.
That
Yeah.
ain't fun.
Yeah,
So
that
let's go again.
Mean?
So let's make the cat eat bread.
is that Kitty?
فيها مثلا حاجة
We're back, and what do you want?
So we're going to have hot water.
Wait, what? You're gonna drink hot water?
Then we're gonna do a challenge.
Dude,
Oh,
you can't do that.
Yeah.
Yo, my. If you want to drink this hot water, you have to do rock and paper. Stand back.
No. Okay, Ryan.
So,
Dude, I'm gonna drink water.
Oh, wait, what?
I'm gonna drink it.
Yeah, me too.
It's hot. Just put one coat. Is it hot?
One coat, that's cheating. Fine.
Is it hot?
It's burning.
Is it hot? That was so hot.
Oh,
Yeah.
yo, is that
So
girl?
let's scare the cat. Just scare the cat.
Yo.
Let's scare the cat again.
burning. Wait,
Let's
what?
scare the cat again.
Really? You're gonna be.
Let's scare the cat again.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm ready.
Hey, dude, wait.
Yo, we're back. Wait, for real? Drink it.
ممتاز بتسويها آخر مرة
Let's do it.
Despacito. You know Despacito? So guys, I guess we're back. You're gonna eat this?
Okay.
What are we gonna do? 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 We're gonna get the cat, right?
What happened, man?
We're getting the cat. Is that you? Is that you? Rockies. This is Richard. And here's Mango.
Let's scare the cat.
And here's Mango. And I am
Let's scare the cat.
Mango. Richard. Blue. Guys, we're back in the video.
So let's go back. Unpause it now. Do it. I'm gonna block. Go back.
Okay, let's go back. Guys, we're back and we're back, guys, and we're gonna do.
Comment down below if you want me
Subscribe and put a like and
Where we do a hot water prank.
Yeah.
So see you later. Peace.